Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to class 7th maths on my YouTube channel. Now let us begin practice set 10 on textbook page number 15. First one. Which number is neither a prime number nor a composite number? Correct answer is 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. I'll tell you the reason. Suppose if I take number 11. Number 11 is going which table? That you have tried. Number 11 is going only one table. So 1 and 11. Other number I will take 21. Number 21 is going which table? Write that. Start from 1. 1, 3, 3 sevens are 21. Then 7 table, 7 threes are 21. Then 21. Both number 11 and 21 unit place is 1. Okay. Number 11 is prime number. Prime numbers are only divisible by 1. They are not divisible any other number except 1. Prime numbers are going only one table. Number 21 is composite number. What is composite number? Composite numbers are divisible by more than 1. Here number 21 is going 1 table, 3, 7 table. Okay, so that's why it is composite number. Composite numbers are divisible by more than 1. Prime numbers are only divisible by 1. Remember this point. So that is why 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Next, which of the following are pairs of co-primes? First one, 8, 14. When you find pairs of co-primes, first you have to write the factors of given two numbers. First one is 8. You have to write the factors of 8. Number 8 which table is going, you have to write that, and that is the factors. Factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. Number 8 is going one table, 2 table, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8, then 8 1s are 8. Okay. Then next number is 14. So write factors of 14. Number 14 is going which table? You have to write that. Factors of 14 is equal to 1, 2 table is going, 2 7s are 14, 7 2s are 14, then 14 1s are. Now underline the common factors and then you have to write common factors. Number 1 is common. Number 2 is common. Other common factors are not there, only 1 and 2 of these two numbers. So common factors is equal to 1, 2. Therefore 8, 14 are not a pair of co-primes. Why? If the numbers are in a pair of co-primes, there should be only one common factor. Here there are two common factors. Only number 1 should be common. Okay, then only the numbers are in a pair of co-primes. If the numbers have more than one common factors, they are not a pair of co-primes. This is the reason. Next, question number second one, 4, 5. Now we will do other three sums directly after teaching question number first one. First we will take factors of 4. Number 4 is going which table? You have to write it all, and that is the factors. Factors of 4 is equal to 1, 2, 4. Number 4 is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. When you write any factors, you have to start writing from one table. Next, factors of 5. Factors of 5 is equal to 1 and 5. 5 is the prime number. Number 5 is not going any table. Okay. Number 5 is going only one table. So that is 1 and 5. 1 5 is a 5, 5 1 is a 5. Okay. Now underline the common factor. Common factor is only 1. Other common factors are not there. So write common factors is equal to 1. If there is only one common factor, starting number 1 is only common factor is there, and that numbers are co-prime numbers. Therefore 4, 5 is a pair of co-primes. Next 17, 19. Both numbers 17 and 19 are prime numbers. So we will write factors of both of these numbers. Factors of 17 is equal to 1, 17. Factors of 19 is equal to 1, 19. The numbers 17 and 19 are only divisible by 1. They are prime numbers. They are not divisible by any other number except 1. Underline the common factor. Here there is one common factor. If there is only one common factor, and that is number 1, these numbers are co-primes. So write common factors first. Common factors is equal to 1. Therefore 17, 19 is a pair of co-primes. Next 27, 15. First we will write factors of 27. Number 27 is going which table? You have to write it. Factors of 27 is equal to 1, 3, 9, 27. The number 27 are divisible by 1, 3, 9 and 27. Factors of 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 15. You have to say the table from 2 to 20. You should know it, and then the numbers which is going to table you have to write that. Now underline the common factors. 1, 1, 3, 3. Here you have more than one common factors. Other common factors is there or no? So write common factors. 1, 3. Therefore 27, 15 are not a pair of co-primes because they are having more than one common factors. If there is a pair of co-primes, there should be only one common factor, and that is number 1. Next, list the prime numbers from 25 to 100 and say how many they are. You have to start writing the prime numbers from 25 to 100. Prime numbers from 25 to 100 are all these numbers which I gave you answer. So start counting the numbers. How many prime numbers are there from 25 to 100? I am getting total 16 prime numbers from 25 to 100. Answer is 16. Next, write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. Before you write twin prime numbers, you have to write the prime numbers from 51 to 100. All these numbers are prime numbers from 51 to 100. Now you have to write twin prime numbers. Number 59 and 61 is a twin prime number. In twin prime number, there should be one number gap in between. 59 and 61 is prime number. After 59, which number is coming? 60. 60 is the composite number. After 60, which number is coming? 61. 61 again is the prime number. Okay. 59 and 61 here, only one number you have gap in between, and that is twin prime number. Such other pair of twin prime number from prime numbers 51 to 100. Numbers 71 and 73. Again you find this number, one number gap in between. After 71, 72 is not there. After 72, 73 is there. 71 and 73 is prime number. Find other pair of twin prime numbers. You can't find here other pairs of twin prime numbers because you don't have one number gap in between. You will find two number gaps and three number gaps. So write the answer. First one is 59 and 61. Second one is 71 and 73. Next, write 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. Practice set question number 50 is wrong. It is not twin prime numbers. It is co-prime numbers. So cancel this and write this question. Write 5 pairs of co-prime numbers from 1 to 50. First you have to write number 1 to 50 whole. Both prime numbers and composite numbers fully outright number from 1 to 50. I wrote all the numbers from 1 to 50. Now you already studied co-prime numbers. Practice set question number 2. If you want to choose pairs of co-prime numbers, there should be only one common factors. Any number you can choose, but you have to choose two numbers. One pair, two numbers you have to choose. Okay. From number 1 to number 50, any two numbers, one pair of co-prime number, choose it. I wrote the answer here. I got here 5 pairs of co-prime numbers. You can write it any pairs of co-prime numbers, but there should be only one common factor. Remember this. Next, which are the even prime numbers? Correct answer is 2 is the only even prime number. Single digit 2 is the prime number. Why? Single digit number 2 is going only one table. 1 2s are, 2 1s are. Okay. I told you prime numbers are only divisible by 1. Single digit number 2 is divisible only by 1. 2 is the even number also. 2 is the prime number also. This is the reason. If you understood, practice set 10. Give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.